Extraordinary. Yeah, this is going to be an extraordinary general meeting. Okay, hey there friends, we're talking about Fami. Holding strong here, we're kicking the can down the road. Everything is going as I figured it would here into November, which is nothing's really going on right now. We need to get a little deeper into November here and sweat and bleed a little more and just bite our nails till they start bleeding here apparently. But some news that has come out, a lot of people probably know this by now. It's not extraordinary news, even though they are saying it is extraordinary news. Fami stock December 20th of this year will have a general meeting, an extraordinary general meeting. And there's actually a few different things happening as we can see. December 19th at room 1803, telling you right where it's at. People's Republic of China shareholders as of record date, 5:30 p.m. and Eastern time on November 12th, 2021 will be entitled to vote at the extraordinary general meetings. So November 12th you will be allowed to vote, which I'm sure a lot of you have seen this. Generally when companies do this, you'll receive an email. Robinhood will message people a lot of times, even Webull, and say, hey, you have a chance to vote for certain things going on with this company right now with you as a stockholder. Not that they really listen to us little guys, but at least they do give us the chance to press a button. So they're going over what they're going to be doing here with this, and obviously I think they're going to be talking about the stock situation. Now obviously we're talking about something that is into the future here. This is obviously after November 30th, and obviously November 30th is when we need something to happen here. We need this to hit $1 and stay $1 for 10 consecutive business days. If not, we're going to be talking about some other things, and those other things, they take time. So people are like, this is going to have a reverse split, it's going to be delisted. Friends, listen, this is going to take a while if we do not hit $1 here, but we're going to talk about that dollar here in a minute. I think they're going to be talking about what's going on right now, obviously with the deals, with what's going on with the general stock, bid price, wherever it is at that particular time. And obviously they're trying to make this into something big, because I really think they're trying to rally up people right now to really push this stock. And friends, you know where I stand in this. I have shares in this. I have about $1,000 in this. It's not a lot. There's a lot more people that have a lot more in this than me, and there's people that have less. But either way, you are a shareholder, and whether it's $50, $100, $1,000, or $10,000, no one wants to lose money at the end of the day here. So obviously, we are trying to rally. We are trying to push this, the common investor, the retail investor. You have a stock that is up against the wall right now where it has to do something. It needs to do something. So like I said, right now, we're not seeing a lot happen here. On the 27th, we had a pretty big day. This running up to a 44 even spot for the high, then ending low at that 35. In volume that day was almost at 400 million, which was fantastic. Since then, volume has been dropping and dropping, but we've seen this so many times with this stock where we have these little pushes, then we fall back down, then we have another push, fall back down, then a push, and so this is what we continue to see with this. Now, obviously we are in a downhill battle right now, trying to push this into an uphill battle. So here's what I'm going to say, and this could sound a little conspiracy theorist situation, but bear with me while I just think here. When I see this article and it says, it's so out there with saying this is going to be an extraordinary meeting, I think with this company, we could possibly see them and themselves release news, and I think they could wait to the last minute. That's why I think starting the week of the 15th here in November, going into obviously the 22nd, the next week, those are going to be critical weeks for this stock. I mean, they are literally going to be critical. Now, around the 15th, that is when we should see the earnings situation come up. But really, that's kind of how I feel about this. I think they are going to release something, because this company, no company wants a reverse split. They don't want to have to fill out forms. This gets really messy for them as a company. So obviously we know they have been pushing into other companies. They have been reaching out their hands into other companies, having a broader company to where they are bringing in more money. So I would not be surprised to see some big articles break out here from them themselves. But maybe I'm just talking crazy here, who knows. But obviously that would be fantastic for everyone. So guys, right now we're not seeing a lot happen right now. And honestly, this is not the week where I'm expecting this. I'm expecting this the week of the 15th and the week of the 22nd. Those are going to be critical weeks we're going to see with this stock. So friends, with all that said, remember, be positive, be you, take time to invest in that future of yours. Friends, investors, I will talk to you real soon. Hold strong, and let's see what this thing does. Bye, everyone.